US. Meron akong na-meet na group. They go around food establishments, picking up food and delivering to communities in need. Ba't walang gumagawa sa Pilipinas? Pag-uwi ko ng Pilipinas, ito na yung pasalubong ko. Itong idea na to. So I started my own little group, volunteer group. It started in Thailand in 2016 and then 2017 in Indonesia. It was founded by Mr. Bo Home Green. Nakita nila, oh, meron palang Food Rescue Philippines. They invited me to join.
Napakasarap po ng feeling pag ikaw ay nag-volunteer. Pag hindi makakantay ng kahit ano.